Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 3 Ikshvaku Kalpa Adhyaya. Pharmaceutical preparation of Ikshvaku. Adhada Ikshvaku Kalpam Vyakyasyamaha Idihasmaha Bhagavanatreyaha. We shall now expound the chapter entitled The Pharmaceutical Preparation of Bottle God. Thus said Lord Atreya. Siddham Vakshyama Adhek Ikshvaku Kalpam Yesham Prashasyate. I shall now describe the proven preparation of the bottle gourd and the type of patient for whom it is recommended. Synonyms and qualities. Lamba Ada Kaduga Alabu Tumbi Pinda Phala Tatha Ikshvaguhu Falini Chaiva Prochyade Tasya Kalpana. The bottle gourd is also known by the names of Lamba, Kaduga Alabu, Tumbi, Pinda Phala, Ikshvagu and Falini. So, synonyms are Lamba, Kaduga Alabu, Tumbi, Pinda Phala, Ikshvagu and Falini. Indications. Kasa Shwasa, Visha Chardi Jwararte, Kabakarshide, Pratamyadi, Nare Chaiva, Vamanartham Tadishyade. It is recommended for purpose of emesis, Vamana, in patients suffering from cough, Kasa, dyspnea, Shwasa, Visha poisoning, vomiting Chardi, Jwara fever, as well as in patient reduced due to diseases of Kaba or fainting, Kabakarshide. Various preparations. Apushpasya pravalanam mushtim pradesha sammitham kshira praste sridham dadyat pittodrikte kabajvare. A large fistful of sprouts of plant leaves that has not yet put forth flowers should be boiled in 64 tolas of milk and given in the fever of the Kaba type with pitta provocation. Pushpadishu cha chatvaraha kshire jimudage yada. As per the description of recipes of jimudaka in the earlier chapter, 4 types of milk preparation are to be made out of the flour. That is, first, milk should be prepared with the flour, milky gruel with freshly appeared fruit, milk cream with hairy fruits, curd with non-hairy one, and so curd from milk boiled with pale green fruit. Yoga, Harida Pandunam, Sura Mandena Panchamaha. The 5th one is made by soaking green pale fruit in Sura Manda. Phala Swarasa Bhagamcha, Triguna Kshira Sadhitham. 1 part of the express juice of the fruit should be boiled with 3 parts of milk. Urahasthite Kabe Didyat, Swarabhede Cha Peenase. This is to be administered in accumulation of Kaba in chest. Ura, in hoarseness of voice Swarabhedam and chronic coryza penasam. Jirne madhyodhrite, kshiram prakshipte, tad yadhadade. The pulp of a ripe fruit of Ikshvaku should be removed and the shell. Milk should be kept till it becomes curd. Jatam syat sa kabhe kasi shwase, vamyam cha tat pipe. This curd should be given as a portion in cough with expectoration, kasa. Shwasa, dyspnea, vamya, vomiting. Achakshirena bhijani, bhavayet payayet cha, vishagulma udhara grandhi khandeshu, sleepadeshu cha. The seeds of bottle gourd impregnated with god's milk, Ajakshira, should be taken as portion in poisoning, Visha, Gulma, abdominal diseases, Udhara, tumor of glandular enlargement, Grandhi Khanda, Sleepada, infantiasis. Mastuna va phalan madhyam, pandu kushta vishardidaha, tena takram vipakvam va, sakshaudra levanam pipet. The pulp of the bottle gourd fruit mixed with whey, mastu, should be taken as portion in anemia, pandu, dermatosis, kushta, and poisoning, visha, or a portion of buttermilk, takram, prepared with its pulp, may be taken mixed with honey, kshaudram, and rock salt, levanam. Tumbya phalarasaihi shushkaihi sa pushpairava Chardayen malya magnaya gandha sampat sugojitaha. भक्षयेत् फलमद्यं वा गुडेन फललेन च इक्ष्वाकु फलतैलं वा सिद्धं वा पूर्ववत् कृतम्. The person habituated to pleasant smell should be made to vomiting by smelling a flower which has been sprinkled over with fruit juice and the powder of the dried flowers of bottle gourd. For the purpose of easy emesis to delicate patient, the juice of pulp of the bottle gourd with dried powder of its flower should be used to inhale or be eaten with jaggery and tilla paste or bottle gourd oil, and the ghee prepared as in the case of Jimodaka may also be taken as an emetic. पंचाशत् दशवृद्धानि फलाधीरं यथोत्तरं पिबेद् विमृध्य बीजानि कषायेषु एवाशतं पृथक्. The seeds of the bottle gourd beginning with 50 in number and increased in each time by 10 till 100 is reached, that is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 should be crushed and put into the decoction of the emetic nuts, that is Jimotaka, Ikshvaku, Dhamarkava, Vastaga and Kridavedana, taking each in its successive order. So the table, formulation of Ikshvaku for emesis. So Ikshvaku seeds Vamaga Yoga with decoction of other 6 Vamaga. So first 50 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Madanaphala decoction. Second 60 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Jimodaka decoction. Third is 70 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Ikshvaku decoction. Fourth is 80 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Dhamargava decoction. Fifth is 90 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Indrayava or Vatsaka seeds decoction. Sixth, 100 seeds of Ikshvaku plus Kritavedana decoction. Yeshtyahua ko vidharya dehi mushtim antarnagam pipet. A fistful of its seeds mixed with decoction of yeshti madhu, kovidhara, karbudara, Nipa, Vidula, Bimpi, Shana Pushpi, Sadha Pushpi and Pratyuk Pushpi, that is 9 drugs, may be taken for emesis or vamana. Bilva Moola Kashayena, Tumbi Bija Anjalim Pachit. 1 anjali of bottle gourd seeds should be boiled in the decoction of roots of bilva and strained. Pudasyasya trayo bhagas chaturtaha fanidasya tu. Take 3 parts of this decoction and 1 part of fanida. Sagrido bija bhagascha pishtanardam shikha tatha mahajalini jimuda kridavedana vatsaka. 1 part of ghee, half part of each of paste of seeds of sponge gourd, bristly loofah and kurchi. Tam leham sadaye darvya gattayen murduna agnina. This should be prepared into a linctus or leha on a gentle fire, stirring the stuff with a ladle. Darvya gattayed. Yavat syad tandumattoye padhidam tu na shiryate. Till it has obtained the consistency of forming threads, tandu, which do not snap when put into water. Padhidam tu na shiryate. Tam lehan matraya leham pramadhyam cha pipet anu. This linctus or leha should be taken in proper dose, followed by a portion of the digestive stimulant decoction, pramadhya. Kalpa esho agni mandadau chadushke pradukchade. Similarly, linctus, leha, recipe of Ikshvaku seeds can be prepared with the decoction of roots of Agnimanda, Shionaga, Padala and Gambari. Shakto bihiva pipin mandam tumbi swarasa bhavidaihi kabaji adajware kase kandarogeshu arojage. The demulcent drink with the extracted juice of bottle gourd and sakto should be taken as portion in fever due to kaba, kabaji chware, cough, kasa, kandaroga, throat disease and anorexia arojagam. Gulme mehe prasege cha kalkam mamsarasehi pipet. A portion of the paste of the bottle gourd seeds mixed with meat soup mamsarasa should be taken in gulma, meha and praseka. Narahasadu vamatyevam nacha daurbalyam ashnude. By this the person vomits well without getting exhausted. Summary. Tatra slogaha. Paishyashtau suramanda mastu takreshu chatrayaha gneyam sapalalam tailam vardamanaha faleshu shad. घृतमेकं कषायेषु नवान्ये मधुकादिषु अष्टौ वर्तिक्रियालेहाः पञ्चमन्दा रसस्तथा योगा इक्ष्वाकुकल्पे ते चत्वारिंशत् च पञ्च च उक्ता महर्षिणा सम्यक् प्रजाना हितकाम्यया 8. Milk preparation. 3 preparation consisting of 1 in supernatant part of wine, that is Suramanda, 1 in whey mastu, 1 in buttermilk takra, 1 in snuff, 1 preparation with tila paste, 1 of oil, 6 preparation of successively increasing dose of seeds with emetic nut, etc., that is Madanaphala, 1 of ghee, 9 with decoction of licorice, Yashti Madhu, etc., 8 of pill varti, 5 of linctus leha, 1 of demulcent ring, 1 of meat juice mamsarasa. Thus these 45 preparation of the bottle god have been fully described by the great sage, desirous of the welfare of the humanity. 8. Milk preparation. 3 preparation consisting of 1 in supernatant part of wine, that is Suramanda, 1 in whey mastu, 1 in buttermilk takra, 1 in snuff, 1 preparation with tila paste, 1 of oil, 6 preparation of successively increasing dose of seeds with emetic nut, etc., that is Madanaphala, 1 of ghee. इति अग्निवेश कृते तंत्रे चारकप्रति संस्कृते अप्राप्ते दृढबल सम्पूरिते कल्पस्थाने इक्ष्वाकुकल्पो नाम तृतीयो अध्यायः. Thus in the section on Ikshvakukalpa, pharmaceutics, in the treatise compiled by Agnivesha, redacted by Charaka, the third chapter entitled Pharmaceutics of the Bottle God not being available, the same as restored by Dridabala, is completed. So this is the picture of the bottle god and there is a reference also given. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the references are given below the video. Thank you.